Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this mold at home. This mold can be used for clay craft or rose look like candle making. This is very easy and simple. I use one sample candle or rose format for this mold. And cold drinks bottle. This is a simple cold drinks bottle. I have cut it in this shape. So I am going to place this cold drinks bottle and a demo rose flower. It is made with wax on a plywood. Top of that I am going to mold it. To fix this one I am using glue gun. If I not go to glue gun, the liquid silicone will come out from the bottom side, and I am using more releasing wax. If I not use this one, liquid silicone rubber will not come out from the surface easily. Even same thing I am using to the demo mold also. This wax rose I got it from a market. Diwali time they are selling it. So I am using a liquid silicone rubber and fast hardener. First on the wax rose I am applying liquid silicone rubber. After that I am placing center of the mold making place. Top of that I am using liquid silicone rubber with fast hardener mixer, and slowly I'll keep it so air bubbles should not be there. Once the mold is ready, you can see there is no air bubble and the wax rose is coming very nicely. We need a little bit patience to make this one. I'm just tapping in the table. After 20 minutes to half an hour the mold is ready. Plastic will come out very easily, and from mold from bottom side also will come out easily. So mold is completely ready. It is very little bit hard also. As I apply liquid wax, so it will come out very easily. See, mold is ready. Now if I remove the demo rose, this actual the model rose which one I am using. So inside that one some portion broken, it okay, because I just need a structure. Top of that I'm going to show you how I'll make another rose. Just little warm wax I'm keeping it inside, and then I'll cool it. Just keep it in room temperature for an hour. Mold is ready. This video I'm making for just to show you how to make a mold with a liquid silicone rubber. All detail I've given in a description where to get a liquid silicone mold and liquid silicone rubber, everything. If you have any comments